Hello, I am Alistair, and today we are going to review the Intrepid 390 Sport Yacht, brought to you by Boat Show Avenue. The 390 Sport Yacht is described as fierce and boasts all of Intrepid's hallmark innovations. It has outboard engines, which gives you extra space, low-cost reliability, and a quiet ride. Your passengers can relax in the salon-like atmosphere of Intrepid's signature lounge seating. The triple outboards power the 390 smoothly up on plane thanks to the aerodynamically designed cockpit and optional fiberglass top, which reduces engine and wind noise. The handling of the 390 Sport Yacht is precise. The ride is smooth, quiet, and dry, at speeds up to 60 miles per hour that you'll captain with ease. We are now in the cockpit. Here we have the lounge. We are now on the bow. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to visit boatshowavenue.com for more information and take the opportunity to see more boats.